Prior to startup and before placing any shelving or product inside of your new cabinet, the interior of the cabinet and shelving should be thoroughly cleaned. Remove the clear protective film from the interior bottom by working the corner loose and slowly pulling the film back. Washing with a mild soap and warm water solution is recommended for cleaning the metal surfaces of your cabinet and shelving. This should be followed by cleaning with a baking soda solution consisting of 3 tablespoons of baking soda to each quart of warm water. Wipe down thoroughly with a damp cloth or sponge that has been soaked in clean water and wrung out thoroughly, then dry with a clean soft cloth. Never use harsh detergents, cleaners, scouring powders, or chemicals when cleaning your model. Failure to dry the interior surfaces after cleaning may result in streaking or staining of the metal. The shelves are easily installed by inserting the shelf clips at the desired shelf height into the pilaster strips already secured to the cabinet walls, and then simply placing the shelf on the clips. For complete cleaning procedures, precautions, and maintaining the life of your cabinet, see our video on maintenance, service, and parts. When considering a Continental refrigerator unit, please contact the factory or visit our website at www.continentalrefrigerator.com for current product information, as our product specifications are subject to change without notice.